Ein teispántais fearnamána seins na Gaillimh ar ga chaingile na teispántais strathe a bhuiile na réalta óga. Le cuidmha cumar chud an fenéil fé an aireachta géitle a gréibh lein a bhuachant. Ina going a bhí Loch Garman, agus ag freachtlas a grúpa céanna bhí cail daragus cai chuinnig. Raich an fearnig bar an tabla ar deiris deach sa bheith Laigheanis, as raich na fórna sa tarna agus tríothát deach na bawthaí Caracanis. Má darmach donnacha ham an trátrachta.
Fechadir na Gaillimh an tá rint na taithna sin Sean Murphy duna díobh agus Luke Kennedy as a hascrach fóhanna club Kennedy drocha an Manion, Jason Rabbit agus Aaron Islander nó agus tá Brian Callan agus Vince Morgan éfurtach go más lína lán tasach. A brother ar Loch Garman ní mór an action jinta go bhfuil ísle tamils. Brian Donoghue gimmar sa lína lán cóil tá éfurtach chumáil Charlie Rourke sa lína lechúil ar fear lá Parker Ronan Shannon imar lína Seamus agus Tom Dempsey slinne cáiliú Loch Garman gimmar sa na tosathe. An slú an seo Borky Vóra Can't búte just a gáneil Bíán sin sé Aaron Ireland Nyland a Brando ar is Brook Nyland or agus Nyland har a trastan céad scór ag an imar sinseir Ibrahad Justin Troy Lesnar Gaillimh a cúpla pass gar Sean Slíd Vince forward in front of the Gimmert to Nishna pass in the Gara can't try to shock the spots smachtig a hauling and chinnig Brian Callan a Gara shachar a goal in ish Tashi Fos again Ashen scored and scored Brian Callan on score Iruth into Rainer British Shees and Chinnis and Shelby the Galway reach for to soccer shees what needs tapula this Buaicphointí now on the Carmen Ego G shot and pass score Ryan Jenny Vince Morgan so the Jason Rabbit Shaharish Vince Morgan trust a fan an Johanish Dara Coonahan agus score 4-0 an Thompson ag na Gaillimh. Bula dina ag Loch Garman Canton níl sí sin búltar a bhá fátarás agus Gavin Maherichin fan an tíb cén na parca Casa áling an sinnig Dara Coonahan a choristeach a father Jason Rabbit anis the Rabbit is sáin bhfuil a rinn leis an pass a choristeach Fátarnis Brian Callan a roi an seo so there Aaron Nyland a counter to Sean Nyland a bó forse an pass of Vince Morgan agus Wash Esselini bhí an cúis in a teachtar bhealach an pass fáte ó Morgan agus well tá ag a seo cóil na cúil Puck slas a búlte ag Rabbit agus í búlte go deasta go trasta go dtí Aaron Nyland tá se na leiceige tá counter to Joe Nyland a roiil Landord faoi cóil eile Aaron Nyland an dara cóil ag Nyland agus tá Gaillimh den a scris an seo nuair bhí sí an na lámhaige ar a rud amháin eile rinse ag ach tuairt fin gól Cantra British Shees Ciar Shelbhall Jack Nolan tá sé fáití Jack over to Wahiga. Johnny's Farrell Loch Garman nish. So the Podge Doyle, Fosig Podge butcher the Chuman, a head score on Nimmert, Egg Loch Garman, Bernalai Dachu, go Shea. Tusan Chaha Corinish, August that. Well, you look 3 Hulling in the foreigners Loch Garman, Tosh Talk the Rash and Chaw, and Garth Hortscove. Tosh Tus Mahavig Nagalvi, Klaus Tucker lads in our Yeshkert. Gary Orichan, he fought to Conor Fanning. Well, Viog. And Ruth Fino wants to hold Hodjastion. Fairhunter. Sean Chancellor is Jack Nolan or the Jack Nolan har a trust on and ish. Neilach Pair on. Pukamach, a goal bar. British Chase and Chenach and Chella Fotza, a Loch Garman Rish. On face of Everton, Gentic, Vince Morgan. Fosig Vince Corraya Chagaji, Dara Coonahan a third fee, Dara Coonahan har a trust on, Vince Morgan a Croatian. Glantamach and Chin, John O'Donnellan. Well, Loch Garman forced on a pass from Corraya ish. Tasha Fotchig Aaron Nyland, Castle Nyland will in 3 goal it shocked on 3 goal score also be heard tomorrow ag Aaron Nyland agus fechar mo chuí chaste sin ina lech chaste ar a buinte ní ra chance na ngrásta go goal bar puck Sirig. Butcher go Garrett sin. Watch a Rashig, Aaron Island Rish, Costin Hart. They don't know Marco Rowan to like Loch Garman to get Trosha, August Murrowell, Ikushidas, Scorella Fos. Loch Garman, Kira Tatamach. Is that? And I don't shake your puck serious Jach. Neil Coolbar Row Hostel is Shin. Or Neil and Loch Garman, because tomorrow's the Ren Real Canoa, yeah, Ton Schlitter took a Jach. And Ish, and Trichamader. Chancig. Sean O'Brien, Bulcha Ishel O'Brien, is shot a goal. Bulcha Ishel, Bobber goal bar. More throw in the Honig shot, what needs Luha. Or then it's one of the Dulles shot and Daw, Haven Joshua, the Michael Burke. Michael Burke out Currai. Couple of pass Lava, I show then chance of Sean is Kieran Lane, or looks Kieran Lane or a Traslon. Fuck Gary Goulbar between Long Holy Fatcharash, Austin Chandler Goalie, as Quillen Trakan more father, Port Larga Hossa, Shaw Sheeran Vich, Stephen O'Keefe, August Barry Coughlin on Octon Shelf Caltac Orishanish, and Shelf Fatcharash in the Gaillimh. To this winner were Hole in Samuel, when you wish you then score a Balak Santa Fatcharash, Loch Garman. Achwilcha Caltac Loch Garman, on Nimmers Canal Slachta Shade. Vince Morgan reach, Vince Morgan block out to Harry Holmes, Auguston, Cafro Cole score to Harry Holmes. Farvela Agarhil, a love owner, come on. Auguston, she butts us off range, hide the Galway. Now, though, you're not shaking to Buaicphointí, like lads in here.